Hi friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a musical alarm circuit. For this purpose you will need buzzer, LED, jumper wires, UM66 IC and breadboard. So let's get started. First fix the buzzer on the breadboard. Then connect the positive pin of LED with the positive pin of buzzer and connect the negative pin of LED with the negative pin of buzzer. After that, connect two jumper wires with the both pins of LED. And at last connect the first pin of UM66 IC with the first jumper wire and connect the third pin of UM66 IC with the second jumper wire. Now let's test it by connecting 3.7 volt battery. Please like, share and comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.